You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals -7/4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all w terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract w from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the w. Divide both sides by -4. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is w equals -7/4.